The leader of opposition in Maharashtra, Vijay Wadattiwar, has demanded a judicial probe into this entire incident of the sexual assault accused Akshay Shinde being shot at a time saying, and I quote, "At a time when school trustees who are linked to the BJP remain absconding, the main accused gets killed by the police. Is it an attempt to destroy the evidence?" Unquote. He also in fact alleged, meanwhile, the NCP SP chief Sharad Pawar said that the negligence shown by the Home Department while transferring the accused raises serious doubts. The accused should have been hanged to death throughout the legal route. Roshali, as you join us back, kindly also detail into the points that have been made in context by the leader of opposition of Maharashtra Assembly, Vijay Wadattiwar, and also, in fact, now raising the several concerns over the manner in which the accused has been shot dead at, and what exactly is also the Maharashtra government now retorting these claims against, because there is a massive political upheaval as far as the incident of shooting of the accused of Badlapur sexual assault, where 2 minors were raped inside the school, is concerned.
As I've said, that in the opposition parties have also started raising question. And now the opposition leader from the Legislative Assembly, Vijay Wadattiwar from the Congress party, has demanded the judicial probe in this matter. So certainly here somewhere he basically wants to convey that just the inquiry in this matter, the departmental inquiry will not be satisfactory. There is a need of the judicial probe in this matter to investigate or to understand what exactly has happened. And there is no negligence as far as from the part of the police while taking him for the inquiry, and as well as in a retaliation attack as well. So certainly there is a need for the judicial probe in this matter. This is what now the opposition parties are demanding. Meanwhile, the leader like Sharad Pawar has said that immediately after the incident, he has reacted by saying that the culprit needs to be hanged. There is no doubt in that, but that should have happened by the legal way, and not something like this which has happened. So certainly he has also put a question mark as far as his death is concerned. Let me also tell you that, post this, we have seen that after this incident, the culprit's family they left this particular area. They locked their home, but after the death of when it was announced that he's no more now, they have also come up by saying that there is a big conspiracy. So certainly the investigation will take place in this matter. That there will be a series of investigation will happen. First, the departmental inquiry, which is initiated now,
right.
And post that the judicial inquiry, which has been demanded by the opposition leader. There is a large possibility that the opposition will raise this demand and will demand for the judicial probe to initiate as early as possible.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.